Hello and welcome to another video. This is natural gas weekly chart, and let's see where is our resistance, where is our support, and what will happen in next days. Okay, last week uh, price break this uh, support here, and now we understand. Now this is one, two, three, four, and now we are in wave five. Here is wave five. Okay, let's see lower time frame. This is daily chart, and this is our Elliott wave. Look at this uh, textbook 5 wave here, and we can also set subdivide uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our wave, and now it's clear we are in wave 5, and where is end of wave 5 we don't know 100%, but let's see lower time frame, and can we uh, find where is or uh, support, and where is or probably or end of wave 5. Okay, this is natural gas 240-minute chart, and this is here is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and look at this wave 3 and 4. This is wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and this is before, and it's clear this that was A, B, C. Okay, and look at wave 5. It's textbook 5 wave, and it's clear. Wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's see, can we find a support, and maybe we can uh, use Fibonacci for find end of wave 5. Maybe I can't say 100%, but maybe end of wave 5 is this number, 2.006. And don't forget, we cannot enter buy position until market break this swing wave 4. Wait until market break this swing, and after that search for candlestick for a good buy position. And don't forget money management, and don't forget like and subscribe.